Hey guys, welcome back on another video. This video will guide you how to replace alternator in GLS 500. This car is model year 2017 and the model number is 166. So first of all, just disconnect the battery ground line, and the location of the ground line is the under seat, the passenger under seat. This car is coming with the engine 278 V8 cylinder engine GLS 500, and the location of the alternator is the right side of the engine. So first of all, just disconnect the V belt. Here is the belt tensioner, and you have to lock the tensioner, then you can disconnect. So no need to disconnect any coolant line and this transmission line. Just you have to remove this bolt which one holding this transmission fluid line. And for alternator they have two bolt. For it's a E12 bolt, that one holding the alternator. So after removing the alternator, just disconnect by screwdriver. You can pull out because it's a lock between this arm. So after removing this E12 bolt, you cannot get out because of this stabilizer bar and engine. So in my car, I lift up the engine with the hydraulic jack, and I lose the bolt of E12, which one connecting to the engine mount both sides. Just you have to disconnect. Then if you will increase the height of the engine between subframe and engine, you will get the more space to out. Now you can see the condition of this alternator. And if you will ask what was the reason behind this alternator replacement, it's a defective because of the oil leaking. In this car also the problem was the oil leaking from this cam cover. You can see here a lot of mark of the oil. That's why this oil damaged this alternator. So whenever you are thinking whenever you find the symptoms of oil leak, just stop and repair the job, because it will big problem of the engine and related to the engine components. Here I am saying this bolt I remove, which one for engine mount. I just lose all. It's a E12 bolt. It's a both side to each side, and this is the E12. After removing this stabilizer bar, you will get the space. Just remove is the 18 mm bolt which one connected to this stabilizer bar both side, then you will get the space. So whenever your car is have oil leak, just repair this one, otherwise will make more difficult and more problem. It will damage also some related to components. So this was you can see clearly. So I am showing this oil mark is coming from top.